I would now like to request the Honorable Governor, sir, and the other dignitaries to kindly come forward and join Sadhguru in launching Pride East Entertainment's newest venture, a 24/7 satellite Bengali news channel. For your information, Pride East Entertainments has been a pioneer in the field of media. We started with News Live, then Wrong, Ramdhenu, Northeast Live, and today, ladies and gentlemen, we are all set to unveil News Live Bangla. There is a big Bengali viewership in the Northeast, and News Live Bangla will strive to cater to this segment with full dedication and commitment. May I now request the Honorable Governor of Assam, Sri Lakshman Prasad Acharya ji, and Sadhguru to kindly launch by pressing the button News Live Bangla.
নিউজ লাইভ বাংলায় আপনাকে স্বাগত। আমাদের যাত্রার প্রথম দিন থেকে আপনাদের শুভকামনা ও আশীর্বাদ প্রার্থনা করছি। সব খবর সবার আগে পেতে দেখতে থাকুন নিউজ লাইভ বাংলা।